Mr. David Licauco, abay umamin na hindi or malayo siyang ma-inlove sa babaeng ito. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo of course magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nice kong pasalamatan kayo for always watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much sa inyong palaging panonood at palagi ang pagsubaybay sa mga updates po natin. Maraming salamat po. At ngayong araw, ito na no, dahil usap-usapan po ngayon sa social media ang pinakabagong serye na gagawin ni Mr. David Licauco and Miss Jillian Ward, kung saan sila po yung pagtatambalin dito po sa nasabing seryeng ito, kung saan inamin ni Mr. David Licauco na medyo kinakabahan siya, pero sinabi naman na kampante siya na hindi talaga siya mai-inlove dito kay Jillian, dahil hindi nga raw di umano ramdam na mas matanda si Jillian or mas mabata si Jillian sa kanya, kasi 20 years old pa lang si Jillian eh. Kaya sabi niya nung una, parang nagdo-double thinking siya kung tatanggapin niya ba ito or ano yung magiging takbo ng kanilang relationship dito or whatever happen, no? Kung ano man yung mangyari. Napaisip ng gusto si David Licauco nung unang nabalitaan ang tungkol sa pagtatambal nila ni Jillian Ward. Ito ang kauna-unang pagkakataon na makakatambal ng aktor si Jillian sa isang proyekto. Sabi niya, to be honest with you, the first thing na naisip ko is babagay kaya, di ba, to be completely honest. Pero syempre kahit naman sino, may isip yun kung bago yung makakasama mo sa isang teleserye. But Jillian is such a great actress and I'd like to think na okay naman ako. I think it will work, paglalahad ni David sa GMA News. 31 taong gulang na ngayon ang binata, habang 20 years old naman gulang naman ang actress. Para kay David ay hindi na dapat gawing issue pa ang malaking agwat ng kanilang edad ni Jillian. Well, mukha pa naman kasi akong 19 eh, joke lang, pagbibiro ng nakilalang pambansang Ginoo. Pero sinigurado niya na talagang medyo may kalayuan, ano. And of course, sa isang interview, no, may inamin si Mr. JB or Jameson's Blake, panoorin natin.
Well, it was nice na knowing her from a short span of time. We got close really fast, and doing a project together, doing a movie with her was also fun. She's very professional, and we just had that talk during shoot kasi na there was a run coming up kasi naging active siya sa running, so I'm like, we had a good conversation about it, and I told her na let's go, let's run together. Nakala ko nakalimutan niya, and then she messaged like let's go for the run. So ayan, we went for it, and even with the lack of preparation, it was fun. It was a good run. So we have an upcoming film, pero I don't want to mention too much about it. But we have a film coming up soon. It will be on Netflix. As a person, very approachable. Like what I said kanina, she's professional. Kasi, knowing her, she's matagal na siya sa industry. So, but then when we do scenes, alam mo yung, she knows what she has to do. Parang ganyan. What else is, she's very engaging when you have conversations with her. Syempre, hindi siya boring kausap. So, very, our time together is, there's a sense to it, when we have talks.
Sa kanyang interview po, sinabi ni Mr. Jameson Blake na nagulat po siya sa kabaitan ni Barbie. Madalas na nakikita magkasama nga itong si Barbie at Jameson sa mga event. Natatanda, nagkaroon ng speculation ng netizen na mayroon ng special na namamagitan kina Jameson Barbie nang makita lang magkasama po, una sa fun run, tapos sumunod naman dun sa gala night. Pero paglilinaw po nitong si Jameson Blake na we're just friends, it's too early pa, sabi niya. Ini-enjoy pa rin namin yung time, no? She's really nice and very professional. Yun po yung laging sinasabi ni Jameson. Inamin sa amin ni Barbie kamakailan lang sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda na ang talagang magkaibigan lamang sila ng aktor. Ayon naman kay Jameson ay masyado pang maaga para sabihin kung saan patungo ang kanilang mabuting pagkakaibigan. Sabi niya, we're just friends, it's too early pa and I enjoy my time with her. She's really nice and very professional din. I mean, naging close pa kami in a short span of time and I like it. It's a good sign and she's a good person. Makahulugang paliwanag ng binata. Madalas ngayon magkakasama nga silang dalawa dahil meron nga silang bagong proyektong ginagawa. Pero pag-aamin po ni Mr. Jameson Blake na talagang sobrang professional, nagustuhan niya yung character kasi ni Barbie Fortesa. Very friendly, very approachable, and very professional when it comes to work, no? Pero lagi po nilang sinasabi na talagang magkaibigan sila. At kung matatandaan po ninyo, may interview po si Miss Barbie Forteza na itanong sa kanya kung may nagpaparamdam na ba sa kanya na siya nung something special. Sinabi niya that she's single at sinasabi niya na ini-enjoy niya itong mga time na to. Sabi naman po ni David Licauco is hayaan natin ma-enjoy ni Barbie yung kanyang time na pagiging single. 'Di ba? Kung if you're going to read between those lines, parang ang point of view ko is napakaaga naman po at napakabilis naman ang pangyayari na magkakainlaban agad-agad tong si Jameson Blake at Barbie Forteza ng ganun kabilis. Samantalang si Barbie parang medyo napaso nga siya when it comes to love, 'di ba? Dahil parang hindi naging okay yung relationship nila ni Mr. Jack Roberto, diba? So, let's be panatag. And then, for that, narito naman ang ilan sa mga comments and reaction ninyo patungkol naman sa ating latest updates. According to Miss Estrelita Godoy, sabi niya, let us see who's the best man win. They were friends and everyone can choose who's their bet. Let the award-giving bodies give justice to their acting prowess. In an interview with Barbie, who to choose from, JC Alcantara, Sam Concepcion, and David Licauco, this proved that how talented and witty she was. I was so happy that she said that David is marrying type, no? So, interview with his friends while eating at Korea, I see he hug a friend's child and said, akin na lang to. His friend asked D if he's ready na pare, sabi niya in his gesture. Maybe he wants to have a child already, but hindi natin sila pwedeng pangunahan. The decision was on their own. So wait na lang tayo kung saan naabot ang kanilang journey. Hashtag panatag, hashtag matatag. Barbie, Barda, David Tandem, love peacefully. And of course, sabi ni Miss Elaine, love Barda forever. Aside from Madam Pickles and Sir KJ, you're also a reliable source of better fact about Barda. Love between them is not fabricated, no script, and no director to follow. Thank you so much for your extensive analysis about Barda forever. Thank you, Ma'am Shi Elaine Santos, sa inyo pong tiwala. Alam nyo po, napakalaking bagay na pagkatiwalaan nyo po, no, yung tulad ko at the same time yung channel na ito at nagiging source po ng inyong happiness. That's really the best feeling that I have right now. At may mga katulad po ninyo na talaga namang appreciate nyo po yung effort natin sa paghahatid ng mga news, kasi mahirap din kasi na parang mag-iimbento lang tayo ng balita patungkol sa kanila, 'di ba? So, salamat Ma'am Shi Elaine Santos sa inyo pong komento. I really appreciate it. And of course, sabi ni Miss Regina Pulgado, David only Barbie dahil kilala mo na siya and they have nice bonding family ties. Likewise to your family. And then sabi ni Miss Medi, let's just see, enjoy the moment. I like David because he's honest, which is true Totoo yan. Isa yan sa mga magagandang karakter na meron po si Mr. David Licauco, that he's very honest. Hindi niya po kailangan lokohin or hindi niya kailangan na magpanggap, no? Kung ano po yung siya yun. Kasi medyo nonchalant talaga si David. When it comes sa mga bagay-bagay, hindi talaga siya katulad ni Miss Barbie Forteza that she's very expressive. Si David kasi hindi And of course, sabi ni Red Lady from Singapore, Team Panatag Barda, thank you so much Miss Darreds, thank you so much Ma'am Shi, and Miss Religioso Potot, sabi niya good evening Darreds, thanks sa update ng Barda, basta ako Team Panatag David, Barbie lang sapat na and God bless, thank you so much Ma'am Shi. And Miss Kiet Lowell, relationship ni Barbie and David ay ibang level na kasi nakikita ni Barbie si pangkasal na at husband material talaga. Sa tagal nga naman nilang mag-work as a love team, di malayo talagang kilala na nilang isa't isa. Tsaka now ko lang narinig si Barbie mag-talk about ganyan. Di na rin po ako magtataka if ever na talaga maging sila in the future, kasi sa paglalarawan niya ng lalaking pangkasal para si David nga yung character na yon, may aura ang Barda na di mo explain na magkasama Ayan. Salamat Ma'am Chiquiet, Howell Rebamba sa inyo pong komento at sa inyo pong talaga namang pagmamahal at pagsuporta dito kay David tsaka kay Miss Barbie Forteza. Maraming salamat po. And another comments coming from Miss Trini. I love Barda so much. Sa gesture nila may something na sila. Di man nila aminin. Pansinin nyo maraming hint ang Barda. Wait lang tayo sa kanilang revelation. Team Panatag. And Miss Nerissa Cantoria. Correct po. Very gentleman si David and has a good character in person. The way he acts. Thanks po. Ayan. Malayo talaga siya. Doon po sa video nakita natin, 'di ba? Talaga masasabi mo per promo lang talaga eh. At the same time parang yun, hindi rin ako na masyadong hindi ako ganun ka-gullible para maniwala na may relationship na yun, dalawang yun. Si JB tsaka si B, no. Sabi ni Miss Anita Diaz, Barbie is no comparison to anyone right now. She's versatile, rom-com, drama, suspense, and very effective on TV series Barbie and Barda Forever. True po yan, diba? Talaga magaling na actress po si Miss Barbie. Kahit ano pong karakter bigay niyo sa kanya, mabibigyan niya ng justice. And another, sabi ni Miss Tess, mga fans, they are both actors. So, kailangan ay tambal sila sa iba't ibang actors para naman makilala ang ibang actor. So, wag ninyong bigyan ng kahulugan. Barda are both solid and understanding to one another. Let's support Barbie and David. Which is very, very true, Ma'am Chites. Ayan. Salamat po sa inyong mga komento. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please, don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!